Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can queue songs on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find some recommended playlists and songs for you. And here, as you can see guys on the right, you're gonna find all of the sections. So basically guys, there is the home section. Here you're going to find the search section. And here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to expand your library. And from here, you're going to find all of your playlists. So right now, I'm going to go back to the home section. Right here in the top, you're going to find the option to upgrade to premium. Here, you're going to find your notifications. Here, you're going to find your friend activity. And lastly, your profile section. So basically, guys, right now, I'm going to show you how you can add a song to your queue. So firstly, you need to search for the song you want. For example, I'm going to go right here. Then right here, you're going to find the option to play the song. If you want, just click on the play button right here. Here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the artists. You can go to the artist page. Here, if you click right here, you can add the song to a playlist if you want. And here, if you click on these three dots, right here, as you can see, guys, we're going to find add to playlists. You can either add it to a playlist you already created, or you can just click on new playlist to create a new playlist and then add this song to that playlist. Right here, you're going to find the option to remove from your liked songs or add it to your liked songs. And right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to add the song to your queue. Here you can go to song radio, go to artist, go to album, view credits, and lastly, share the song. You can copy the song link or you can embed the track. So right now I'm going to click on add to queue. And as you can see guys, now it's added to the queue. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.